With EC44, to remove the controller from its housing, press on the sides and pull gently forward, like you do with the Plus series controllers. However, with EC44, there's a front panel removal latch. You can see it just there, and you have to press that down to then allow it to come out of the housing. So it's very important. If you don't press that latch down, it won't come out. With the boards themselves, you've got here at the front is the display board. Then you've got the power supply board, the universal input boards here and here. Over here we've got the digital input board. This one's the power supply board. If you wanted to fit option boards, I'll just take these 2 alarm relays out. If you wanted to fit boards into here, then the way to do it is take these boards out first of all, fit whichever board you want. So let's put these back in, input boards, one there, one up at the top. Fit this board back together again. That goes in there. That goes in there. Okay, and then fit the 2 of them together back into the display board. Like that. That's how you fit the option boards. And then it'll go back into the controller.